इन्होंने हाथ पकड़कर दुआ की।
They held hands to pray. They held hands to pray.
उसने अपने रोजमर्रा के मामूलात को दोबारा शुरू किया।
She resumed her daily routine. She resumed her daily routine.
वो शुरू से बेदार हुआ।
He awoke with a start. He awoke with a start.
मैं मुझसे मिलने के इशारे की तारीफ करता हूँ।
I appreciate the gesture of visiting me. I appreciate the gesture of visiting me.
ये एक बुरा ख्याल लगता है।
That seems like a bad idea. That seems like a bad idea.
आप इतने होशियार हैं कि जानते हैं क्या करना है।
You are smart enough to know what to do. You are smart enough to know what to do.
मैंने कल के लिए उसके कपड़े इस्त्री कर दिए।
I ironed her clothes for tomorrow. I ironed her clothes for tomorrow.
इस रात कोड़े को निकालना है।
The trash has to be taken out this night. The trash has to be taken out this night.
वो बमुश्किल मुड़ा था जब वो मदद के लिए चीखी।
He had barely turned when she screamed for help. He had barely turned when she screamed for help.
इसके बच्चे इसके साथ बातें कर रहे थे।
Her kids were chatting away with him. Her kids were chatting away with him.